Hi you guys, welcome back. Today is day 9. Well, technically it's day 10 because it's quite late. Today is day 9 on Vlogmas, and I wasn't able to vlog the rest of day 8 and then the beginning of day 9, like so this morning. My battery is flashing, so I'm gonna make this really quick. Basically because like I was not sure over the wedding, and then I had to travel all the way back to Windhoek because I had to catch a flight because I had a meeting in Pretoria. So now I'm in Pretoria. My meeting is in a couple of hours. It is now like midnight and I'm in my hotel room. It's quite late. We just got in numerous delays from the airline, and so yeah, I'm super tired and I'm getting ready for bed. So I just thought I'd come here on camera and say that I'm not slacking on Vlogmas, I promise. It's just that it's so much stuff happening, but definitely after tomorrow I think I'll pick up again, because like yeah, tomorrow I'm not gonna vlog that because honestly it's work and I really don't like vlogging my work life per se, like the professional part of it, just because there's a lot of sensitive things that are said and stuff, right? Good morning you guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 10. But I am not vlogging today because I am out of town and I am in Pretoria for a work meeting, and I don't want to vlog that because, you know, work, whatever. So I'm just gonna be like doing snippets here and there, so it's not really gonna be a full-on day. So obviously I'll join day 10 with day 11. I'm heading back home this evening, so that's gonna be fine. So it is like almost 9, probably like 5 to 9 right now, and I am waiting to be picked up. I think they'll come pick me up in like an hour or so, and in the meantime I am going to be doing some work. I have to finish a statement, and yeah, oh, I feel so tired, so tired. But anyway, let me show you guys my outfit for this meeting. I had to get my businesswoman on, so I'm wearing this blazer. I think this is from Zara. This bodysuit is from Boohoo. My pants are from H&M, and then my shoes are from Aldo. So I am rocking the all black today. There we go. See, very businessy. So yeah, that is my outfit for today. I am about to do a little bit of work. Okay. First I need my, okay, it's so dark in here, you guys, it's ridiculous. It's so dark in here, you guys. I'm not here for these lights, but this is what I'm looking at outside my room. So we're in Pretoria. Oh, this window is dirty. Wow, okay. But yeah.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
You guys, tell me why I get sent the biographies for this event that I'm attending, right? And I mean, I'm attending in my capacity as like a work person, right? Tell me why these people are like, oh, you know, she's the foreign officer dealing with da, and she's also a well-known beauty blogger. And how does that relate to my work, you guys? Like, I'm just like, what the hell? I need to call Yon and tell him. Babe, Tell me why these people from UN Women sent me the biographies apparently of the people who are going to be sitting like at peers with peers table or whatever, and like because it's apparently like reserved, so it's like all the, I guess, like important people, right? Tell me why they have my name. Just hold on, right? They have all these people like pictures and stuff, right? Like professional corporate headshots, right? And their profiles. Remember I told you how they were asking about my bio, right? And tell me why mine is, since 2015, Nekwaya Iileka has been serving as a foreign relations officer for the Ministry of International Relations. Before this, she was employed as a candidate attorney for Namibia Associates. In addition to this, she's a well-known beauty expert and avid blogger.
That is a multifaceted lady right there.
Why is it relevant?
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago.
Hi you guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 11. Today's video is gonna go up tomorrow, I promise. So tomorrow you're gonna get two videos, day 7, 8, 9, and then days 10 and 11. I know, I also know that I look like I'm crazy, but you guys have to understand how tired I am. Over the weekend, drove out of town for a wedding, drove back super early to come make my flight, which ended up being like delayed till like nighttime. So I landed in Joburg at like midnight, drove all the way to Pretoria because that's where my hotel was, got up in the morning, went to a meeting, left the meeting, went straight to the airport, flew back here, got here around 9:30. I was home and in bed by like 10:30. Woke up this morning, went to work. Okay, your girl is tired, but while being tired at the same time, I am on leave, so yay, this is like my first day off. And what I want to do today and tomorrow is like reorganize my room and just kind of clean it up because it's a mess. Okay, it looks really bad. It's like a mess, like everything is everywhere. It's a DIY project going on in the backyard, so ignore that noise. But I'm gonna try and like organize my room. I'm still kind of deciding how I want things, and I need to get some measuring tape to measure the length of my bed so I kind of know before like I turn it around and stuff, because it's not cute when you turn your whole bed around and then you realize it doesn't fit, right? But before that, so I have been taking these hair vitamins. I stocked up on these when I was in New York, and basically I took Hairfinity about not last year, I think in 2016. I did 2 bottles, maybe 2016 or early 2017, I'm not sure. I did 2 bottles, and in that time I don't know necessarily that my hair actually grew, but then again I think that was a short time, but my hair was definitely thicker and healthier. I mean, I have really thick hair, but it was super healthy, so that's why I kind of want to give it another try. So I got like a 6-month supply. So I'm gonna take these. And please don't judge me for not drinking it with water. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna pop you guys up somewhere, and I'm gonna get started on this room.
Thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So guys, in my old room I had like floating shelves on my walls, and I had kind of like put my books up on there and had kind of made that like my reading corner. Now I have a ton of books lying everywhere, and I don't have floating shelves in this room, and I kind of don't want to put any up because your girl's getting married. She's gonna be moving up out of here, and I kind of don't want to make those kind of like permanent changes. So what I was thinking, right, is I'll make space for some of the books on that table over there, right, and then also on the table over on the other side, and then I'll put a few magazines and stuff on this ottoman, which is disgustingly dirty, but who cares. So I'll put some on there and kind of just do like 3 reading corners as opposed to having everything in one area. Okay, so now I'm going to try and gather all my books. So here we have Americana, then we have Mindy Kaling, who I absolutely am obsessed with, more Chimamanda, and then I have this book, which is by Jung Chang, which is The Unknown Story of Mao. I have a crazy obsession with Asia and Asian writers. Over here I have another Jung Chang book, which is Wild Swans. I haven't read the Mao book yet. I got it in New York, but so I'll probably like leave it separate. And then you guys see in that little corner over there, I have like 3 books. Let me just pull them out. Over here I have Eugene de Kock, which was a really just crazy book. And then I have again an Asia obsession, Empress Orchid, which is like the dragon queen. And then I have this one from World War II. I also love World War II books. Where are my other books? Ooh, Jesus, fix it. Over here I have Memoirs of a Geisha, also Asia. And then I have this book called The Tattooist of Auschwitz, World War II and Asia. Literally, I love those. I have the Michelle Obama book somewhere, but I might have left it. I think I left it at Yom's house yesterday when I was there. And then over here I have Nervous Conditions by Titi Ndangaremba. Guys, if you are looking for a good book, this is one of my favorite ever books in life. I read it as a kid, lost the book, and I repurchased it. And then over here is Dikgang Moseneke. He is a former Supreme Court Deputy Chief Justice, I think, South African judge, and the book is called My Own Liberator, so it's an autobiography. So this is the stack of books I'm trying to pack up.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and heaven and nature.
Over here is the perfume. So this is what is in rotation currently. What? My battery is about to die. This is the Dolce & Gabbana Garden perfume, I think it's called. And then I'm just going to put another one here, which I'll show you guys in just a minute. Is this one. This is the Versace Dylan Blue. It has a male and a female version. This is the female one. Femme. As you can see, femme. I think that's how femme. You don't say the M too much, I think. I want to show you guys the bottle. It's so pretty. This whole bottle situation. Like, so this is the bottle, right? It's like all this gold and blues and blacks. And then obviously it's got the signature Versace emblem. And then this is like the base on which it stands. I really like the whole thing so much, so I think I'm going to keep it here in its blue little thing. Okay, you guys, so it is a whole couple of hours later and I am finally done for today with my room. It looks a whole lot better and I'll show you guys in a minute. The only thing that I still have to do is now tackle my closet, which is behind me, and it's a lot, you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done with the room and this is what it looks like now. So over here I have that little 3 thingy, I don't know what it's called, that I still have to sort out itself, but it's not for today. Then over there is my laundry basket, and then I have the ottoman with the magazines, that little thing I got, and then I just put like a gift bag to kind of just zhuzh it up. And then this is just the fan. Then over here I have my desk, and this is what it looks like now. So it has some books in the corner, my sunglasses, my mirror, some flowers, my brushes, a candle, lipsticks, some perfume, and then I have some cotton buds. And this is just my laptop. And over there in the corner that's sticking out, those are just my light stands for all my lights. And then this is the bed in the middle. The bed has pretty much stayed in the same place. And then in this corner we have the area that I did first that I showed you guys, and just next in between that and the bed is the canvas that I want to paint tomorrow. I thought I was going to do it today, but I guess I'll do that tomorrow and film it. And then I brought my clothes rack over here just because I figured I wouldn't be doing too much with this side of the room, so it could stand here. I'll probably even move it out a little bit more, like I'll move this part in because it can go all the way in, so I'll probably move that in. Tell me something, you guys. This is what I'm thinking of doing. I'm thinking of actually spray painting this stand white, because I think white is just more aesthetically pleasing. I might do it tomorrow because I am going to like where there's a hardware store, so I might just buy some white spray paint and do that. So that's an idea. And then one thing that I do like is that I now have this space all over here to have, like, it creates a distance between me and my lights, because the lights get really hot, and if they're too close to me, like, it gets too bright and doesn't look good on camera. So I did need that space. And also I have the option of still, like, I still have space if I wanted to film in front of the window and film with natural light. So like during the daytime I can still do that, so that's still an option. So I'm pretty stoked with that. I think I'm gonna close out this vlog day 11 here. Edit, get this up for you guys, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Make sure you're subscribed, and let's keep the conversation going.